Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create interior. Okay, let's get started.
Finally, we need to create curve wall. You go to the left, you create a standard object plane, select the snap tool and create a wall like this. We need create a wall like this, so we need some segment for snap. More. I want to see the scale. View file here. Okay, I think it's okay. Do you think so? It's okay, right? More. Okay, I will go to the grid shape tab, grid line, open 2.5 snap. You snap like this. Right click. Oh, sorry. Okay. You create a shape like this. Press shift, hold shift, click, and close slide. Yes to 12 point. One. Go to vertex mode. Snap like this. Select all the vertex on the vertex and go to fillet. Okay, I think I drag this and snap to here. You can modify this vertex. I think it need to nice glow point, so I make it fillet like so. Select the vertex and make it corner. Snap it to here. Okay, you can sell. I think it's 7. Outer mount is 7. Choose X axis and snap it to equal. Hold Control. Select the word and Q. Go to the top. Okay. Snap like this and make a mirror object instant. Okay, snap to here. When you mirror, you can change the outer like this. Okay, you select all and make a new layer or send it to column layer. Move ceiling object to floor. Rolling door. So we have floor plan, column. This plan for snap. You can drag roll door into the door. Don't bandit it. You can move it for negative 100 and use it again when you need to change sequence. Okay, next we lay out all the item in the shop and then make a material. Finally, we rendering.